And will be explaining about first session of the PHP. Please cooperate with me. Can you see the screen right? Well, PHP means Hypertext Preprocessor. Hypertext Preprocessor, it is the full form of PHP. Okay. PHP is also known as personal language. This is the another full form of PHP. PHP is server-side scripting language. So what is server-side scripting language? You know PHP is scripting language. Script in the sense JavaScript, that type of scripts. Okay. So it is a script. Basically PHP is a scripting language. So what is server-side in the sense? There is a client side and server side. Client side means, for basic introduction, client side means your own system. That is client. Server means group of systems managed by one main server. That is server. So PHP is server side scripting language. Means with the help of PHP we can write applications, we can dump in somewhere, and with the help of server we can connect with all the network and everyone can use. So this is the overall fund about server side scripting language. So Facebook and Yahoo are the examples means built up with PHP. Okay. PHP is open source and free. PHP is used for web development and can be embedded in HTML. Mainly web development in the sense if we need to develop web applications, we need to use PHP, and it can be embedded in HTML. This we can see in further classes. PHP is used for developing software applications that have dynamic content and require constant interactions with the database. So PHP is having interaction with the database. Why? We interact with the database because we need to display dynamic data. We need to insert dynamic data. We need to do dynamic behavior in our application. That's the reason we interact with the database. So mainly PHP is a platform independent means that can run on any OS like Windows, Mac, etc. So now I will execute a basic PHP with basic syntax for more understandability. So this is the first program. It is like my first program. I'm saving this .php. It is in my local folder elf underscore php. Okay. So if you run this, if you execute this, you can see my first program. My first program is output that is shown on browser. So this is the my first program. This is the opening tag. This is the closing tag. Echo we will discuss later, but up to now you can think that it is for displaying the message or the output. Thank you. This is the first session. So our main motto is learning without gun. I will be explaining PHP topics as well as what are the necessary for web application like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, as well as for dynamic behavior we use Ajax and jQuery, as well as we will use Angular, React, Python, all this, as well as manual testing. So please support me. You can support me by subscribing